Hi everyone, and welcome to AutoCAD. My name is Ari, and I'm an AutoCAD professional with Digital Drafting Systems. Today, we're going to learn how to use the mid between two points function. The mid between two points function is one of my favorite functions in AutoCAD, and we can use it with most of our drawing tools. So I'll demonstrate it now with the line tool. So I'll just use the line tool, and I can specify my first point, but if I wanted my first point to start in between two different snaps, I can now activate this tool. And we do this by holding down the Shift key. So I'm going to use my left hand to do that, and then right click. And now we have these functions. We can force AutoCAD to use certain snaps, for example. And at the top here, we have mid between two points. So I'm going to use that right now. So now AutoCAD is telling us to specify the first point, and this is going to be the first point of the mid function, or the M2P function right here and here. So basically, I'm now going to find the midway between the center of this line and the end of this line, because right now there's no snap for it. So I can specify the first point, and then immediately click on the second point. And now AutoCAD allows me to draw from the middle of that line perfectly. That's quite nice. Now we can activate the function one more time. We don't have to stop here. We can then find the midway between this middle point here and this endpoint here. So shift right click, mid between two points, and we'll go from here to there. And that's perfect, and our line is essentially complete, so I can press enter. And now I know that these two endpoints are perfectly in the middle of this line and the end of this one, along with the middle of this line and the end of this one. So it's a really, really neat function. Not only can we use the mid between two points function in between lines and other objects, but we can use them to find center points for other parts of objects. This rectangle is a great example. So I'm just going to use another line tool here, and I want to find the middle between two different kinds of points in this rectangle. One good example is I can now right click mid between two points and click on the middle center point there and this midpoint right here. And now I have this point, so I can now start between both of these points perfectly. And you can see the possibilities of this function, where you can use it to find center points for certain shapes or the middle of certain objects that don't necessarily have snaps, because sometimes we need to section off our objects in certain ways. And so we can do that very easily with this function. Now, one last one I want to show you all. We can actually go from the middle between here and here, of course, and now we've got the exact center of a rectangle. Now, the rectangle itself, if it is drawn as a shape in AutoCAD, it will have its own center point, and this isn't necessary. But if you have an object like this, which is essentially four separate lines that are made to formulate or simulate a rectangle, you can find the center point of those lines very easily. And this is why the mid between two points is really one of my favorite functions in AutoCAD. Thanks very much for watching our tutorial on the mid between two points function in AutoCAD. Once again, my name is Ari and I'm with Digital Drafting Systems. Hope you have a great rest of your day.